is 10 o'clock. Good morning, children, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Good morning to all. No more repetition. Around 71 people have joined. So another 6 people, no matter. 72 have joined. Very good. So now we have discussed in the last class about the respiration. And I told you that in the cell, it will be broken under 3 conditions depending on the availability of oxygen, quantity of oxygen, that it will be burnt or it will be undergoing a reaction, chemical reaction to get energy. So in presence of oxygen, full energy. In absence of oxygen, no energy or less energy, and in less oxygen, energy will be less and lactic acid will be produced. Okay, so now question comes. Of course, it is not there in the textbook for detail, but we will discuss little bit. As you studied in 9th class, can anyone repeat this answer if you know? Which cell organelle is called powerhouse of the cell?
Mitochondria.
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 I think it was repeatedly asked to you. So similar way, cell के अंदर food जाने के बाद, the equations which we have discussed are very common. But once the energy, food is gone to the cell, and cell will be doing that process. What process? Respiration process called cellular respiration, and give the energy. Now question comes, listen carefully. क्या जब भी हम खाना खाएं, डाइजेशन हो गया, ब्लड लेके गया, सेल में घुसा दिया, क्या सेल में तुरंत जितने फूड आया वो पूरे के पूरे फूड विल बी बर्न टू गेट एनर्जी? अगर ऐसा है, सेल में लगातार रेस्पिरेशन विल टेक प्लेस, शुड टेक प्लेस, ओके, एंड लगातार एनर्जी विल बी रिलीज्ड, देन लगातार फूड शुड बी सप्लाइड, अंडरस्टूड? बट देन लगातार हम लोग खाना खाते रहना है, कंटिन्यूसली फूड हैज टू सप्लाई, लाइक एलपीजी सिलेंडर से एलपीजी हमारा स्टोव के अंदर आने के लिए, बर्नर के अंदर आने के लिए, आग लगाने के लिए, एनर्जी आने के लिए, फ्लेम आने के लिए कंटिन्यूस सप्लाई होना चाहिए, ऐसा नो? अगर कंटिन्यूस सप्लाई बोल तो कंटिन्यूस एलपीजी आना चाहिए, कंटिन्यूस एलपीजी आना बोल तो सिलेंडर में कंटिन्यू फुल गैस रहना चाहिए. But you know, now we people eat food, say for example at 9 o'clock, 7 o'clock you are eating food. And up to 11:30 you are not taking any food in the school hours. मतलब समझ लो 3-4 घंटे your body is not taking any food. But every सांस में and every breathing, inhaling, exhaling में, or every second in your body, the reaction of cellular respiration is taking place. Energy is produced. Every continuous it is produced. But continuous produce करने के लिए continuous food आना चाहिए ना? Continuous food आने के लिए हम लोग continuous खाना चाहिए ना? Is it taking place? No. तो एक बार खाना खाया, the food will be digested slowly and slowly, then food is transported and food is given to the cell. Right? In the cell, what happens? This food will be whatever it has come, it will be made into the energy. Very good, no doubt. And that energy will be stored, like transformer में store किया गया, like dry cell में electric energy store किया गया. Like that, the energy will be stored in the cell, in the mitochondria. Energy will be produced. But we are not using energy. Suppose I am sitting here and you are listening to me. Energy used by you is very less. When you are walking out of the classroom and you need more energy. फिर cell is producing energy लगातार, कभी ज़्यादा कभी कम नहीं है. But we are taking sometimes more energy. Suppose you are running, you require more energy. But more energy cell will not produce suddenly. उसका जो जलने का शक्ति है उतना ही जलेगा, जितना प्रोड्यूस करना है उतना प्रोड्यूस करेगा। अपना स्टोव में बर्नर छोटा बड़ा होता है, छोटे को जलाओ एनर्जी कितना आता, बड़ा को जलाओ एनर्जी कितना आता, अपना अपने कैपेसिटी के अनुसार वो देता है। दैट इज अ कैपेसिटी। Similarly, in our cell also, it will be burning dhire, food will be burned to produce the energy. But where is this energy is going? We are not using energy. Whatever is produced continuously, we are not burning. We have to store the energy for next activity के लिए। सुबह 8 बजे खाना खाए तो 11 बजे 11:30 बजे तक हम लोग वो एनर्जी को बॉडी में स्टोर करना है। 12 बजे खाना खाए तो फिर शाम 4 बजे तक एनर्जी बॉडी में रहना है। तो ये फूड जो होता है इट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू एनर्जी, ओके, if it is required there. If not, the food what happens here, it will be stored in the form of this, and that is called what? ATP and ADPs. The food हमारे पास जो होता है which we store it and all that, it is called adenosine diphosphate. Then what happens? It will react with phosphorus or phosphates by taking energy from the cell itself. It converts into ATP, which is called adenosine triphosphate. D बोलो तो di, T बोलो तो tri. Adenosine triphosphate के रूप में it will convert. And these ATPs will be there in our mitochondria and all. Then when required, with the help of oxygen, then it will undergo to release the energy. So in our body, energy is stored in the form of ATPs in the cell, especially in the mitochondria, and they are called as fuel cells and currency cells of energy. These ATPs are called currency cells of energy or fuel cells. Sometimes one more question will come. Why do we call ATPs currency cells of energy? Because they undergo the chemical reaction in presence of oxygen as and when required and release water energy. So that's why they are called water currency cells of energy or fuel cells of energy or fuel cells of our body. So this is about what you call ATPs and ADPs, right? And this you study in 12th class and all remaining and Krebs cycle. So many cycles will be there. It is not important. In this, what is important? Only how the ATPs are formed. ATPs are formed when ADPs, adenosine diphosphates, are reacted with phosphorus or phosphate, and then convert into ATPs. And these are stored in the mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell. There only in presence of oxygen as and when required, depending on the demand of the body, depending on the demand of the cell. Microphone बंद करो gentlemen. So depending on the demand of the energy from the cell and the body, those will be reacting with oxygen and release the energy. So that's why हम जो खाना खाते हैं, in our cell it will be stored in the form of ATPs. That's why ATPs are called as currency cells of energy or fuel cells. Who is that? Microphone. कौन है भाई?
Wait, sir.
Who
Wait.
is that? Huh? Ved? Ved?
सर
Is Ved on? हाँ, क्या है? माइक्रोफोन बंद करो।
सर बाय मिस्टेक ऑन हो गया सर।
क्यों होता बाय मिस्टेक? क्यों सीधा नहीं बैठ सकते मेरा जैसा?
सॉरी सर।
फैट? हाँ, सारी नहीं है। लिसन, अभी 10th क्लास में 15 साल है, डेकोर मैनर्स नहीं है, तुम्हारा वजह से 3 मिनट खराब हो गया, बाकी लोगों का डिस्टर्ब होता है। वही बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ATPs, एनर्जी सेल्स ऑफ द बॉडी. We should maintain properly. We should burn them properly in the right manner. समझ में आया? ज़्यादा एनर्जी स्टोर करे तो भी convert into fat. and body will not do properly. To control the body, control the cell is very important. That is called metabolism. इसी के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं हम लोग, लाइफ साइकिल के, लाइफ प्रोसेस के बारे में, स्पेशली एनर्जी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. बाय मिस्टेक कैसा होता है, इसका मतलब एनर्जी इन आवर बॉडी इज मोर, मतलब स्टोर्ड एनर्जी ATPs आर मोर इन आवर बॉडी and they are burning more and giving more energy, and excess energy is making you disturbance here and there. Understand, Ved? Okay, leave it. So don't do it, disturb others. So this is how ATPs are formed, and these ATPs will be there in the mitochondria, and you studied already in 9th class that it will be brought there as and when energy is required to the body, then it will be there. And this rate of reaction of oxidation, supply of oxygen, will be more depending on our physical activity. If you do the running, walking, jogging, वगैरह and all, the burning of ATPs will be faster. If you are not doing, the burning of ATPs will be less. If excess ATPs are there, these are all energy forms and all, and it will be converted into what called fat if it is not burned properly. So the fat will be stored, accumulated in the cell, and cell will become mota. All cell will become mota, and hum pure body become mota, and skin become thick, and then we will get fat, and every cell become mota and fat, and we get lot of circulatory problems and other metabolic diseases and all like that. All interrelated topic. So now, if you look into the points, there is one more question here. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? This is very important. 3 marks के लिए आते हैं, कभी कभी 1 mark के लिए आता है. We directly get an energy because it directly absorbed into the blood, because it does not require digestion, because it is already very small molecule. तो उसको डाइजेशन की जरूरत नहीं है. तो डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द माउथ itself it go into the blood. That's why it will use endothermic reaction. That's why our body or mouth will become cold. Even when we eat the mint, पुदीना का जब खाते हैं, that is also ये जो स्वाद वाला जो खाते हैं ना हम चॉकलेट वगैरह, at that time mouth also become cool. Why it becomes cool? Menthol रहता है. What is menthol? Menthol, we call it in pudina, and it absorbs the heat from the mouth and directly will go into the blood. So it is called endothermic reaction, absorb heat from that. So that is the process of what we call the glucose and all. One great gentleman I joined just now. And next we go to the next topic. This is after the ADP, ATPs and all what happened, then we are going to the next process, which is called as what? Transportation. Here if you look, the process.
Ramchandra Reddy, sir.
Anna, sir, good morning,
Little
sir.
louder, sir.
Sir.
Because one parent also told me, sir voice is not able to listen. Little louder.
Okay. Children, how many children are not able to listen? Raise your hand, or I mean sound yourself. Anybody not able to listen? Anybody not able to listen? No?
Sir, you're audible, sir.
Okay, sir. Even I
Okay.
follow your guideline.
Okay.
But no
Okay.
children is having the problem. Now if you go to the next one, which is called transportation, if you look into this heart functioning, okay, and this is very important in the transportation, heart functioning. As it is very important, we will go to the first, what is definition of the transportation. As all of you know that we come to school from our home and by using some transportation method. What is the transportation means? First, you should know the scientific difference between local